మీకు వేరే కమిట్మెంట్స్ ఈరోజు ఉన్నా యూ హ్యావ్ మేడ్ ఇట్ అ పాయింట్ టు బీ హియర్. We are very happy to announce our 10th year completion and the most very eventful and very glorious journey for Zee Telugu for this decade. And we are very happy to be associated with Tamanna Garu as a brand ambassador to take this journey further, because Zee Telugu journey, Mali Tamanna Gar journey, almost similar in the way of how we have entered into the Telugu speaking population's heart, and how we have had an eventful journey here. So the basic thing is that Zee Network has been here for almost 20 decades, 2 decades that is, 20 years, and we have reached out to almost 1 billion eyeballs, and Zee Telugu has reached out to 13 million households now, and we have had lot of clutter-breaking programs like Gold Rush, where we gave away almost 15 kgs of gold to all the Telugu women. And Tamanna Garu Association would take it further in terms of we being associated with young aspirational women, which she represents in her movies like 100% Love or Beat Shekhar Kamala's movie. So we would like to call this year as the decade celebration, and we will be doing almost 6 promos with her, enhancing our experience for the audience in association with her. And I'll let Tamanna Garu say the rest.
చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి జీ నెట్వర్క్ అంటే చూస్తూ ఉన్నాను, అండ్ ఫర్ మీ ఇవాళ ఒక బ్రాండ్ అంబాసిడర్గా ఉండటం అనేది నాకు చాలా 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 పెద్ద విషయం. అండ్ ఫస్ట్ టైం యాక్చువల్లీ కేటీయూసీలో చాలా దగ్గరలో నేను వాళ్ళు ఎలా పని చేస్తున్నారు, వాళ్ళు ఎలా ఫంక్షన్ అవుతున్నారు అని చూశాను. అండ్ చాలా ఇంప్రెస్ అయ్యాను, ఎందుకంటే నా గురించి ఎంత తెలుసుకున్నారు వాళ్ళు, నాకు ఏమీ తెలియకుండా వాళ్ళు ఎంత తెలుసుకున్నారు, అండ్ ద రీసెర్చ్ అవన్నీ నాకు చాలా చాలా నచ్చింది. అండ్ that is just one thing, but today's women, I think TV ante chala chala important. We all watch TV, and I feel especially the TV medium is more a women's medium. I think most of the women love to watch TV at that typical evening time, which you cannot get any woman out of their TV rooms. So I think entertainment ni getting myself involved with it, it's a big honor for me, and I'm very happy that Zee Telugu has chosen me to be the brand ambassador. Ee association నేను చాలా వాల్యూ చేస్తాను, and I hope I can
we are planning a grand celebration actually on our anniversary, and Tamanna Garu will be a part of that. We'll also roll out 6 promotional aspects of what have been the high points through our journey along with Tamanna Garu, because her journey and our journey coincide, not only in terms of years but also in terms of aspirations, how we look at women, the positivity which we reflect. And మీరు చూస్తుంటే మామూలుగా నార్మల్ పర్సెప్షన్ ఫర్ ఆల్ మెన్ ఎస్పెషలీ ఇస్ దట్ ఇట్స్ అ వీపీ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ అ థింగ్ వేర్ ఓన్లీ ఉమెన్ వాచ్
వస్తుంది. సో ఐ థింక్ ఫర్ మీ ఇట్స్ ఆల్వేస్ బిన్ ఫుల్ ఆఫ్ సర్ప్రైజెస్ అండ్ unexpected twists and turns, and I think that's what's exciting about my job. And just like Zee Telugu has always come up with something new always for their audiences, edo entertain cheyadaniki different ways, maybe be it reality TV shows or women aspirational kind of shows, whatever they've come up with, they've always been reinventing themselves. So నాకు కూడా something like that only. Normally this is my opinion, I think only one person knows what's happening, and I think that's Rajamouli sir. We will never understand the magnanimity or the beauty of every shot. I think only he can see it completely. So only ఇప్పుడు వరకు ఆయనకే తెలుసు. సినిమా బయటకు వచ్చాక అందరికీ తెలుస్తుంది, బట్ ఇప్పుడు వరకు I think only he knows the beauty that's behind this film. Well, I am mostly in part one, as we're all characters of the same film. So we will be present in this. I'll be present in the second part, very briefly, but first part is what I'm completely in. It's very funny, but బాహుబలి మీద వర్క్ చేసేటప్పుడు నేను నా స్టాఫ్ అందరికీ చెప్తాను, expect the unexpected, because that's exactly what's happening with us when we're shooting the film. And I think చూసేటప్పుడు కూడా మీకు అలా అనిపిస్తుంది.
ప్రమోషన్స్ చేస్తున్నాము. 6 will be spread through the year. Also, she is a part of our main Glitzy 10-year event, which we're planning, which will shortly be briefed about, and that's the association.